I did go to the store, but Brandon's mom is just getting in. We're up front.
He tried to accuse me of having merchandise.
No, he did not.
Yeah, he did.
Who
He
did?
said, excuse me, ma'am, but I need you to give me the merchandise that you still have. I said, I don't have any. And I said, who put my bucket away? Because I had a bucket full of makeup.
You did get any?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, your boss.
Fucking asshole. Thought he was going to grab me.
Was he a loss prevention or just a fucking...
Loss prevention. Assholes. They took my whole fucking bucket.
Yeah, of course they did. She saw you put in a bucket. You think they don't know what you're doing? They're not stupid. Believe it or not, you're not the first person to come up with that idea. Or the second or the third. How much did you get?
Not a shitload, but I got a blush brushes set. I got some. I'm gonna try this lipstick.
No, don't.
Why?
Because, is it for Leah?
Yeah.
Well, if you didn't get that much, like, should we give her everything? Because she won't take anything new unless it's
Yeah, I
new.
got two of one though. I think.
Oh, you did? We'll make
And
sure.
I got this blush brush set is like $30-something. I got her some blush.
You know it's too late to go to Fred Meyer now.
Go to Walmart.
But yeah, but they don't have the shit that Doug wants. And we've been out for hell long. We've already used almost a quarter tank of gas. Like,
Okay, well I'll get more stuff at Walmart.
where's Scott?
If I can get that one, speaker out of there, Doug wants it.
Which one?
It's I think it's Pioneer or something.
Oh, wait. God damn it. I always fucking almost turn here. I'm not supposed to. I know, it's getting late. We're right by the police station. Walmart closes in an hour.
I'll be quicker about someone hooking up with me.
God
And grab
damn
some
it.
more
Really?
bags too that are good for boosting and also for keeping clothes.
I'm gonna start timing you. You really need to work on your speed. 'Cause I got warrants. I can't be sitting out there like this.
Okay.
This is why me and Brandon usually don't take you, because I can't. I mean, I'm not trying to be a bitch. I'm just keeping it 100 with you, you know?
Yeah. I got you a lipstick too.
Alright, cool, thanks.
She won't wear it, but I know you will. But I think it's cool.
What is it?
It's purple.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Infallible colors.
Oh, that's hella pretty.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Sweet, thank you.
That basket had your those blush brushes and shit that you had. The whole package had the whole fucking thing.
Yeah, I'll get them from fucking, I can get them from Safeway. Where's Scott?
I don't know. I'll call him in a minute.
Have you talked to him since the last time you talked to him?
I'm not worried about him. Oh yeah, he has dope.
Yeah, he has dope. That's the only. I don't give a fuck about the dude neither. I just know that he's got dope. Well, I don't even know he's got dope. Allegedly, he has dope. I don't know if
Yeah.
I'm really buying it.
Yeah. Okay. I'll call him when I'm in there.
All right.
Alright, let's see. So what I have in here. Fucking. God damn. Man, pushing everything. Son of a bitches. Do you have a cigarette going or no?
No, fuck. God damn it. She's gonna be hella pissed. Okay, so realistically, like, can you try and keep it within 20 minutes? 15, 20 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, you're more likely to get caught being in there forever.
Yeah, I know.
Set a timer on your phone.
I don't know how.
Let me see it. I'm gonna start setting a timer for you, so that you know how long you're in there for. Cause you probably just lose track of time, huh?
Yeah.
You don't even realize how long you're in there for.
God, this stuff is just not totally fucking gone. Christ. I'm gonna get hair shit and makeup.
Can I get your foil?
Yeah, let me. What's left here on it?
Sorry, I don't mean to be like such a fiend. Just like sitting in
No,
the
that's
car
fine,
so
I
much
know.
makes me fucking
Well,
anxious.
Well, yeah. I can imagine.
Where is your clock on this goddamn thing? There it is.
Son of a bitch. Nice.
Timer. So we're gonna set it for.
This stuff. I don't know.
15 minutes. I'm gonna set it for 16 minutes or 17 minutes so that by the time you get in the store,
Okay.
yeah, 17 minutes. So by the time you get in the store and you get to what you're looking at, you know about how long it's been. God damn it, go to 0.
Here you go. When I get in there, I'll get close.
Alright, here, take this.
Alright, just take it. I gotta get in there.
No. Here.
No, I mean the.
Oh, okay. Alright, so 17 minutes. So when this goes off,
Alright.
when that goes off, you got, give yourself.
What? You did grab me. I'm going. Alright.
Alright. Jesus Christ, right? 2 hours. I was waiting outside of fucking. God, do I always do that when I talk? 2 hours? I always open my eyes like that. It's crazy. Sorry. Oh God. So I just went to hit the foil. I'm all like holding it up in the air, and then like I like look over and there's that guy. Whoops. Fuck him though. If he doesn't want to see people doing drugs, he shouldn't live in a drug area. He's hella fucking nosy too. Rude ass motherfucker. Fuck him. I don't like that shit. I don't like rude ass motherfuckers. Just fucking rude ass motherfuckers being rude. And nosy. She's not a shooter. She's a smoker. So, if she gives me any brown, usually she gives me a piece for a shot, but she doesn't have that much brown left. So, and she gave me a shot earlier. Actually, she's given me a couple shots. Where's my goddamn lighter? Like this. Swear to God, like, I have such a problem with losing lighters. It's like I get a lighter and I fucking just like I use it once and then it's like I just throw it like as far as I fucking can, like away from me, so that I can't ever use it again, or that if I do want to use it I have to look for it like incessantly. The reason I put these on is so that I could go. There's people pulling up next to me. Hold on.